We have officially bought our first RV. This has been a long time in the making, and everything was panning out to be a perfect day until we started driving home.
That's when everything went sideways, and the day ended up costing us a lot of time, energy, and money.
We made it home safe, but that doesn't mean the day wasn't scary, and you'll see what we mean soon.
But first, we're starting from the beginning of what we thought the perfect day was gonna be.
We're officially on our way to buy our first RV.
But first, we have to head to the bank because it does cost money.
It's so weird.
Here we are, our new home.
Shiny and ready.
Boom.
Look at that thing.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Can you believe it?
Pretty insane. All right, Becca's driving the RV home, and I'm gonna go ahead and lead the way.
I was so excited to start driving our first RV.
But it wasn't long before our day took a turn for the worst. Awesome. Not to mention that we also had to stop because the awning was coming off, and we took the shoelace out and tied that to it.
Yep.
So this has been real fun drive so far.
Haven't even had it for like an hour. I don't even know how that happened. Like, we were just driving, easy, casual. It's 55, so I just going the speed limit, you know? It just completely ripped off, and it just got stuck there, and I can't even pull that off. It just popped and ripped. Oh, it scuffed the...
That's okay, right?
Yeah. Can we drive? Like...
Let's look it up. If not, then we should call AAA. We do have a spare in the back.
Okay. Well, we're gonna do some research and see if we can continue driving, and we'll keep you updated. We just called around.
No luck.
And no luck, so we gotta change our tire ourselves. So we got the manual. We're gonna try to fix the tire. This is the first time we're both ever fixing a tire, like, ever.
So it'll be fun, especially with a motorhome.
I know, what a great first try, you know what I mean? Like that.
All right.
Wish us luck, and yeah, we're gonna just do what we can do.
All right, we're gonna lock this shit back up.
All right, we got the tools.
All right, let's get this.
Whoa.
We got the jack, so that's good.
Should we look up Google? YouTube?
Yeah, we YouTube it.
YouTube it? Does that come apart?
Stick together. No, it doesn't.
Okay. Well,
All right.
also cut myself on the tire too. Trying to get it off, so I got blood on my pants.
Okay, I know where it is. Unscrew the wing nut, taking off the retaining plate.
This is just crazy. I don't even... Oh God. You got this, baby. Don't have it drop on your head though. Careful.
There's not a wing on it. It's literally just rusted to the tire.
The tread completely ripped off. Got the jack, but now we can't get the tire because there's a bolt holding it up and we don't have the right tools for it. So now we're just kind of trying to problem solve, see what to do next. I mean, there's a nice gentleman that is here now. He just pulled up and he's gonna try to help us. Let's see if we can finally get things moving or get the ball going. I don't know, like, oh, crazy.
All right, so while we were working on it, somebody was kind enough to stop by. And right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and drive it. We're gonna take it to a parking lot. We're probably gonna end up going, I don't know, 10 miles an hour as safely as we can, because that's really, I don't know, I feel like maybe I should have drove it instead of Becca, but just in case the tire, I don't want that thing to tip over. We're on a hill, so, oh, she's calling me right now, gotta go.
I'm hobbling my way up the road, and we're gonna go to a more personal, like place so that we could try to fix it. And I hobbled my way, I'm hobbling, and I'm almost here, so, all right.
Right here. Right by the blue truck.
Right by the blue truck, okay. All right. And we made it. Woo!
It looks like she's got air in it.
Yeah, I think so.
We got the tire.
That looks like... I think she's full. I cannot believe that.
Oh my gosh.
Heaven sent. God bless Eric. He's our little angel. He's a little protector watching us. I gotta grab the jack though. And we're gonna get rolling.
One more.
Nice day for flat tire.
Yeah. Yeah, do what he was doing. Do it again. Turn it.
Oh, I gotta be careful. This has to
Yeah, don't cut yourself. Please. Oh, be careful. Yeah. Just be careful. We are slowly but surely getting the tire on.
These are the tools we need.
Yep.
What is that for?
No idea. To play with it like that.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it's for.
And this too. Let's just take it off, dude. I don't even want it.
You don't want an awning anymore?
No, we don't need one. We could just get an inflatable like tent thing.
I know. Plus, also, when it was hanging down, it was like super
It
low.
was right here.
It was super low.
Right here. But it's also not extended though. It needs to be extended. See? But
Yeah, I don't really want an awning, but that's okay.
Lord.
The tire is on thanks to our knight in shining armor. It does look a little flat, so we do have to stop by the gas station and put a little air in it.
It looks a little low.
Yeah, it does look a little low. So we'll be heading there right after finish up real quick and thank Eric for helping us. So yeah, finally, right? I don't know. Just thank goodness we got it fixed.
All right. We filled the tires up with air. We got them diagnosed. Eric had left and we just pulled right into the auto place next door, and they said that the tires got life in them, that they're older, but they're not gonna blow up tomorrow, they're not gonna blow up in a week, a month from now. It's driving so much better, you know, now that we've got the new tire on it. Yeah, well, the old new tire, the new old tire, however you wanna say it. Improvise, adapt, and overcome. But we're chilling, we're good. We're good, we're on the way home, finally. Who cares if we're holding up traffic? We're on the way home. That's what matters. After the longest hour-and-a-half drive ever.
Literally ever. It took us 3 hours.
So many
3
stops.
extra hours, I should say.
We had to stop and put the awning back up on the camper so it didn't fly off and take us away. And oh my gosh.
I know.
And the tire blowing apart.
But we did it.
We're home.
We got it here safe.
We're parked.
I am literally so excited and so happy that we made it home safe and that the new tire, it got us home.
Yeah.
And now we can get two new ones, but that will obviously be in a later video.
It
But
might be a little more budget
Yeah.
to put in it than we expected. But
I'm so excited to start this journey, and this is our new home. This is gonna be our new RV. We just got it. Oh,
all right.
that's awesome.
So stay tuned for us renovating this thing, going through it, you know, tours and story times and whatever. Stay tuned because it's coming.
And we're definitely going to be doing it on a budget, so stay tuned in case you want to do your own. So hopefully this gives you any helpful tips for the future.
Thanks for watching. Follow along.
Yep.
But bye for now.
See you later.